Once upon a time, there lived a wolf in a jungle. He was a cheat. All the other animals in the jungle knew him. Therefore, they used to be very careful with him. Thus, the wolf never used to get prey to eat. Thus, he decided to go out of the jungle to find prey. He saw that the group of sheep used to regularly go to the ground and in the evening return home. One day, he started grazing grass a little away from the sheep.
Stop! Do not go. I have not come to eat you. I have stopped eating meat. I have become vegetarian. I have therefore left the jungle and I am thinking of living with you.
How should we believe you? You are our born enemy.
You can see for yourself that I have been eating grass for quite some time now.
Then one sheep spoke up.
I have seen you eating grass, but why have you started eating grass?
One day I met a sage who scolded me a lot for killing animals. On his advice, I stopped killing animals.
That means you have become a good person.
But I still cannot believe you. You can stay 50 steps away from us.
Oh, all right. All right.
The wolf did not want to lose a chance. That day, he remained 50 steps away from the sheep. He never caused them harm, nor did he let any other wild animals come near them. He started protecting them. After seeing this, not only the sheep, but also the shepherd started trusting him. The sheep started to treat him as a friend. One day, the shepherd had to go to his wife's parents' house. He called the wolf.
I'm going to my wife's parents' place. I'll be back after 2 weeks. Till then, please protect my sheep.
The sheep also considered the wolf to be their protector. The shepherd confidently went to his wife's parents' home. The wolf got his opportunity. Every day, he used to kill 2 or 3 sheep and eat them. The sheep were worried at the reducing number, but they had to complete faith in the wolf. Slowly the wolf ate all the sheep and went towards the jungle. After some weeks, the shepherd returned and on seeing the bones, understood everything. He was devastated.
What have I done? I trusted a cheat. How could I forget? Once a cheat, always a cheat. To trust a cheat can only harm you.